Hey physics, this is Mr. Hausman, and we're going to take a look at a Q problem that we've tried in the past, but we need to review, and you're going to try on your own. So this is number 1 in the problem set, and we're going to remember that the key idea here is that as soon as you read that it's a gain or loss problem, the formula we're going to use is Q final equals Q initial, and then depending on whether it says gain or loss, you put in the appropriate symbol. So loses means we subtract N times E. And we're going to change to another color. So the starting charge, the neutral, is actually the Q initial. And neutral means a charge of 0. We're going to subtract from it how many electrons? Well, here's our N value, 4,000 times the charge of a single electron. And if you look on your reference page, you'll see, or the bottom of this page, you'll see that the charge is negative 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19th coulombs. So if you are very familiar with how to use your calculator, you plug in negative 4,000, multiply that by negative 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19th coulombs, and you're going to get an answer of positive 6.4 times 10 to the negative 16th coulombs. And that is our Q final. Look below if you need a video on how to do that with your calculator.